So whenever I create a new event over here, then what happens is that you get an area to add in a description, as you can see right here. And this description area can be formatted, as you can see right here, with many options. For example, I can go around over here and let's say, for example, this is a test paragraph right here, just like this, and I'm just going to go around and copy and paste this out right here. So you can see that I can go around and make this very long. So you can go around over here, make this very long. You can go around and then do many formatting, like there's the format painter, as you can see right here. So this is what you have. You can go around and see all of these options. So you can go around and do all of these things right here. So let's say, for example, I have this. You can utilize the regular formatting option right here, change around the font size, as you can see right here, or you can go around and change around the font over here, just like this as well. So you can go around to specific font. You can bold it out, italicize out, underline it out. You can highlight it, as you can see right here. You can highlight it out with different colors, and you can even change the font color, as you can see right here, according to how you want. You can change this around into bullet points, as you can see right here. So that is what you can do. You can change it out into bullet points as well, or numbered points over here, just like this as well, by clicking on numbers. You can go around and utilize the indentation option right here and indent the paragraph as well. You can also go around, add everything in under a quotation, as you can see right here. You can left align it, center align it, or right align it, as you can see right here as well. So you can go around, utilize superscript and subscript as well. For example, if I were to go around and type in H2O right here, just like this, I can go around and subscript it. Or if I want, I can superscript over here, just like this as well, to keep it on the top right here. Apart from that, you can go around and then strike it through. You can add in paragraph symbols right here, as you can see right here, paragraph onto the left and right, and you can also undo right here. You can also clear the formatting right here by clicking on clear formatting. You can also copy the formatting right here and copy out the formatting right here. So that is what you have. So that is what you can do. You can also change out the case, as you can see, to all uppercase, and all of the editing options are for text is provided, as you can see right here. So you can also go around and insert out table, as you can see right here, and work with it. You can also add in an attachment right here. You can insert pictures right here, just like this, as you want. You can go around and then insert emojis and GIFs over here, just like this as well. And you can also go around and check accessibility issues and so forth. So all of these formatting options are provided for the description section of the calendar event that you can format according to how you want. Then you can save it out, and that is what you have. So that is how you can work around with calendar event description formatting options inside of Microsoft Outlook. So if you guys learned something, as always, and as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.